Hey Jens, I drove with my bus and something's wrong with the washer system. Look under the hood, please. I'll
Just
press
leave it.
here.
I'll check opening the hood, and then please activate the washer system. Ah, I see the fault. You must be spraying something out, correct? There's a little hole in it. It happens. Because of mechanical impacts, environmental factors, or aging, it's always a problem we encounter. Or our best friend, the marten, can leave damage. And to avoid replacing the whole hose, we have suitable repair sets, which we will now demonstrate. We have now identified the problem we are dealing with. We will now introduce the repair possibilities here. For instance, here are our two RepPipe kits. We include 2.5 meters of flexible conduit. It includes various connectors and different seals, depending on the required size.
It's ideal for modifying the washer fluid line or for replacing or repairing something. We have everything you need for that.
Or if I want to make a conversion, perhaps switching from corrugated tubing to a smooth hose or the reverse, or if I need to route something extra somewhere, like in a motorhome or something else, then I also have the option here to use something like this.
The key is the ability to work on a custom basis and to have all the necessary parts on hand.
Yes, and what is also a big advantage for the end consumer is simply that we don't necessarily have to buy the entire assortment. That is more for the workshops. But if I have a problem on the road, there is a blister pack where I have a repair solution inside. I don't even need the big tools. Utility knife, scissors, pliers, and I can carry out the repair on site. So what benefits do I gain? I get a quick, long-lasting and professional repair.
It's also important in modern vehicles that we avoid replacing the entire line. Sometimes in the rear, like with tailgates, you might have to disassemble the whole car, but that's not necessary here. We can do a partial fix.
Yes, and I don't just have these temporary patching jobs, as one might call them.
What's important with ours, or as is known from us, as soon as it's a set, there's an insert included. And you can, of course, also reorder the items individually. That means what runs out, one goes more, one goes less, can of course be reordered from us. Part numbers are always included directly.
This results in significant time and cost savings in my daily workshop operations. Yes, another addition we offer is our Analox hose connector system. Here I have, in addition to the expansion of our RepPipe system, over 100 different adapter possibilities, and the big advantage is actually, you can just say, always for every connection,
We include over 200 spare parts. This means we can construct or modify things for hose sizes ranging from 3 to 6 millimeters. Y piece included, a T piece included, a cross piece included, a straight piece. That means, let's see what comes up. You get a nice adapter to go right back to the corrugated pipe, which is also in the RepCap set.
I also have special plug-in inserts here at the front, and that is simply perfectly combinable with our RepPipe, and then nothing more can happen. Yes, and then we also have a hose connector assortment where we have 60 different adaptations included, even featuring an internal hexagon to simplify the installation process.
Exactly. Here we can join smooth hoses in the range of 3 to 6 millimeters. What's important here is that we can even join different diameters. There's also from large to small, small to large, however you turn it. And we also have the option here to repair something.
If smooth hoses are installed in the vehicle instead of corrugated pipes, this is the perfect and optimal repair solution. Next, we have the windshield washer line repair kit, crafted from EPDM that is resistant to chemicals, ensuring durability and longevity, and thus it is also resistant to alcohol, to acids, to alkalis, water, and is therefore optimally suited.
That means you can use it for battery ventilation, water drains at the front well, for example, caravans, boats, or for example also in industrial applications. There are 1,000 possibilities, or of course also as an addition.
Naturally, this complements our RepPipe. We have a flexible, long-lasting, universal repair solution that can be applied anywhere.
Now we come to our repair. That means here we have our corrugated pipe. We diagnosed the damage here earlier. Now we need to expose everything a bit here. That means we just take our cutter knife and loosen the tape connection here first. What we are doing here now is specifically for the van. Naturally, if you have a different vehicle where a similar issue arises, a different repair might be necessary because the installation is different. There's glue underneath. Yes, now it's apart. Great. Now we go. Cut the line completely. So here are our side cutters. Let's open the whole thing up. That means we have separated it. What's important is that we now have to check if it's cleanly separated. So here we can just cut off one more section. That works. Once here. Up here once. Done. Now we have 6 different sealing rings in the assortment. That means we naturally have to check which one is the right one. In this case, we will now take a 5.5. Place it over the hose. It is important. You need to know this when repairing. These corrugated pipes inside might vary depending on the transporter model. A different manufacturing year means a different corrugated pipe, as the manufacturer will utilize various suppliers on the assembly line. And that's why we always have to check again what fits there. In this case, we just need our adapter once. Then we need our bridge. That's what I always call it. With the adapter, we now go into the sealing ring. Hold this steady now. Take our bridge, slide it over here. We can already tell it fits snugly. That means the sealing ring I took is the right one. We do the same on the other side. We need to seal it. So once again here, the sealing ring over it. Now we only need the adapter once more because the bridge can be used on both sides. What's important is we have a small tab back here. That always faces the rear. Otherwise, you'd see it won't go onto the bridge. Insert into the second groove again, snap it shut. I'll take a bridge now. Slide it on. Et voila. Repaired with our RepPipe assortment. Now we have the opportunity here again, just to show you, this would be, for example, the same thing inside. Adapter on, and I could go onto the smooth hose. That means you say, I don't want any corrugated hose in here at all, but I want to go ahead and just have a smooth hose directly. Or I even have the possibility here, with these different colored adapters, to go ahead and connect directly to the washer fluid pump. We would even have that possibility here too, in our large RepPipe set. Let's conduct a functional test now to verify the performance. I will be present, while Jens will inspect the front to see if it is properly sealed.
Indeed, the repair has been completed. We will now re-verify that everything is sealed and fully functional. Could you please activate the windshield washer system once more? And as we can see, everything is fine. The repair was successful, and thus we can hand the vehicle back to the customer now. Now that the repair has been completed, you have witnessed the simplicity of the process, and it is a great solution.
All you need to know, you find in the description text on our website or in the online catalog.
Yes, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel to not miss any videos.